Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to open NerdWallet account on your PC. NerdWallet is not a typical finance company. It simplifies money management by bringing all your necessary financial tools in one platform. To open NerdWallet account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.nerdwallet.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to the NerdWallet's official website. Now here you can see the sign up option at top right section of the website. Click on sign up option. With that, you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now here you can see you can create your NerdWallet account by using your Apple account. To do so, click on continue with Apple, or you can also create one with your Google account. To do so, click on continue with Google. Now, I am going to create my account manually. So first enter your first name on the given box. Then enter your last name on the given box. Then enter your email address on the given box. Now enter your password. Make sure your password contains one uppercase letter, one number, one special character and 8 characters in minimum. Then once view terms of service and privacy policy, as by signing up you agree to NerdWallet's term of service and privacy policy. With that, click on continue. Now your NerdWallet account will be officially created. Here you'll be taken to another page. As you can see here, welcome Hanat. That means my account of NerdWallet has been created. Now here you can see quick start guide. You can set up your account to get nerdy insights, or you can skip this process as well. This is how we can open NerdWallet account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.